Hello guys, and welcome back to another class of our course about the complete introduction to marketing with Instagram. So in this class we are still in the account creation part of the course. So right now you should have an account that is completely created. One last thing that is pretty important in my opinion is the security of your account, especially if it's a business account. So we're gonna talk about all the security features that you guys can have on Instagram. It's not gonna be too long. But once again, it's pretty important for you guys to have security on your Instagram account, especially if it's for business use. Well, personal and business, both of them are pretty important. So as always, the first thing that you guys will see when you get on your Instagram, you will be on your first page. And here, well, you can go, it's gonna be right there. So you can go in your settings. So edit profile or just go on your settings. And from here, what you guys want to do is pretty simple. So we're going to talk about a few things. So first of all, privacy and security. You can go there, and from here you will have access to all those things. So first thing, account data. So basically, account data. What is it exactly? Is all the connections that you guys had, your profile information, your account activities, the story activities. So basically everything that happened on your account, you will have access to it directly on at this place. So let's say, for example, I want to know all the account privacy changes that happened. I will simply click here. So there is no information right there. I want to see who exactly followed me in what order. I can click here. So basically, I will see nothing because there is nothing. Is there any accounts that I've blocked? Okay, I have those accounts that I blocked, for example. Is there, I don't know, a hashtag that I follow? So right now I don't follow any hashtag. Profile information. So here, for example, if I have any other usernames, if I have any other full names, if I have any other bios. So basically there is a lot of really interesting things. So basically I can see all the logouts that happen. So here, as you can see, I can see all the logouts that happened, the dates and the hours that it happened. So it's pretty interesting. Same thing for the story activities. So I will be able to see it. So basically if I created any quizzes, any countdowns, any music questions, any pools or whatever. For the ads, pretty much the same thing, but well, right now I don't have any ads if I'm not mistaken. So we'll come back right here. So for ads activities, so I want to see all the interests. Okay, those are all my logouts. So basically those are the security informations that you guys can find in the account data, which is pretty interesting because once again, if you want to know a little bit more what's happening on your Instagram or something happened, for example, you got a login that you can't see, well, you can automatically change your password. Talking about password, something that I find really important and that I suggest you guys to do, not only on your Instagram, but basically on all important things that you guys have, will be the double identification or the two-factor authentication. So how exactly it works? So pretty simple. You want to, let's say, for example, you want to use authentication with your password, but also with your cell phone. So here, for example, I can use text message. So I can simply click here and it will send a text message to a certain cell phone. Same thing for an application. So basically I can download an application and this application will give me a certain code that I will be able to enter right here. So if I just click on use application, each time that I will connect to my Instagram, it will ask me this code. So basically it's a bit annoying sometimes, but if it's for protecting your account, it's pretty important to use it. So what I suggest to everybody is really having a two-factor authentication. This way you guys will be protected against any attacks on your account. Besides of that, what you can also do on Instagram is download all the data that you guys have. So basically everything that you guys have posted on Instagram, you can download it right here. So it's written right there. Get a copy of what you shared on Instagram. So basically you will have a file with all your pictures, comments and everything, which can be pretty interesting. And here you simply choose the email where you want to send it. So for the security, as you can see, it's not that complicated, but those features that offers you Instagram are pretty amazing. And similarly, the two-factor authentication, it saved a lot of Instagram accounts from getting hacked. So I really suggest it. So in my opinion, it's pretty important. If you guys have any questions about security on Instagram and stuff, you can just go on support. Here you can have pretty much anything you need. So if you have any problems with really security or anything on Instagram, so about the basics, it can be right here. So you can do pretty much a lot of other things, for example, blocking accounts, removing followers, taking off comments. So let's say you have comments that you guys don't like, but we're not gonna cover all this. Once again, this is a course really based for marketing, but just for you guys to know, there is a lot of other things that you guys can do on Instagram besides of just well, having a two-factor authentication. So basically you can delete comments, add comments, you can block people from seeing your stories, and many other things, well, interesting things. So this is for the security part. So as you can see, it's not that complicated, but it's really important to have. So until now, you guys should have a completely set up account, and what I suggest you guys to have as well is a two-factor authentication. So simply click on it and you can set up a two-factor authentication. You enter your phone number, and each time that you will connect to your account, you will have basically you will be able to enter a certain code, and you will have access to your Instagram account, and it's gonna be 100% secure. Well, maybe not 100%, but it's gonna be way more secure than just using a password. So I hope you guys will take this in consideration. So that's it for us, guys, and see you all in our next class.